Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a computer not using all available RAM and make your RAM fully usable in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration, click on open it. Select the boot tab and select advanced options. Uncheck maximum memory option over here and select OK and select apply and OK for save changes. Select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the assigned solution guys. The assigned solution, you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it. Now you just need to check my video description for this registry path used in my video. Just copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. Make sure you selected memory management. On right side, clear page file at shutdown. Double click on it. If you have value data 0, then change it to 1 and click on OK. And now just close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.